We're in Target.
Eek.
Meow.
Eek.
Yeah, we're in Target. We'll buy some things. I don't feel good. Let's see how fast we can drive this. Ring! Oh, yeah, there's people over there. I don't grab my phone. Don't grab my expensive $5 million camera. YouTube live be like water. I'm in my YouTube channel. What do you want?
Let's go look at toys.
No.
And I'll buy these 2 for $6.
That's a lot of money. One for me, one for you?
Yeah.
Sure.
Let's go.
Let's go look at some toys for Abraham and my sister. The Incredibles. Kira, can you take the camera?
Sure.
Record it like this. Don't show me.
They don't know who you are?
No.
There's a, I want to get slime.
The one that you got, which one was it the first one you showed me?
Okay, you can show me.
Okay.
I think I already showed them how I look like.
Yeah, when the basketball one. No, I want to get slime.
Spin it in my finger.
I said slime, no balls. Let's go. Ooh, slime. Oh, the Wabbit slime. Should I try it or no? Look at the guava juice slime.
Try it or try it?
Let's go to see the other slimes. Come on.
Big fat noodle. Okay, let's go.
Let's go. Let's look for
Look at the Ouija board.
Fortnite.
Sorry.
12, 13, ya está ahí.
Fortnite. I saw some Fortnite. I don't know. We don't play Fortnite. Pop it.
Yeti in my spaghetti.
Yeti, let's set go.
These are not toys. These are, what's it called?
Board games.
Yeah. And then,
Ooh, Connect 4.
They
Weird.
have Jumanji.
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 Where's the Ouija board?
And their original Connect 4 from the 19 millions.
I think Mommy calling me. So get it. And I'll
We're on Target. Okay. I got $20 in me pocket. No lies, eh?
I'm trying to put it in the cart.
Sad. But you're gonna back it around to you.
Not bad.
Sí. No? Encontré tus dulces que te gustan. Ebran. Recording in instant.
We're here.
Dun 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 dun. Ha, wah, wah. the microwave. I promise to destroy you. Ah! Ah! Yeah! Yeah! Ah! Destroy it! Yeah! Yeah! I destroyed the microwave. It looks 6 9 is out of prison.
Nice moves, bro.
Thank you. That man just complimented me. God! Die! Ooh. You hear that sound? Better hide this. Okay. Can you grab this? Put this in a different cart or something. Making my way downtown. You can see these codes. Olive Garden. Eek. That concludes the end of the video with Target. Peace.